But what I want to tell you is that we must continue as a government and as a society to ensure that we do whatever we can to improve it, to take that one step forward.
Kajing Pynkut di jingrakhe Jubili Rupa jong Phudmuri Presbyterian High Secondary School klalong ka ba isyong kun bat ipu iping da kajing don ring kat umentri rang ba ka jilla u konrat ke sang ma kum u kongsan u MLA ka Meghalaya constituency u ba piti sau kemia kum u sembut kongsan u MDC u ba tai bor lang pathau ba syap khat sung ba kerpang ki pastor ki temmen basan bat ki we ki kinrem ki lindan belara ki alcohol jokani ka school nin ka sngi ka arphun riu tarik u ya yong arhajar arpho ar Nakabentaban sedang ia kejingtai kabalang kala no senyang arpo san lak tingka banaga Chief Minister Development Fund arhajar khat kendai arhajar arpo san lak tingka berhadian kani ukondrat ulapen bena boon mang biang sa arpo lak tingka kaban long baro san po lak tingka kaban kinyo ban sedang no ikani kejingtai jongki yakani ka school Haba ajing keren hakani ka sngiu kondrat lapen pau ya kejingmen mancha khot sngu bha banya don lang bat ka school kabalalong kejingker khu ki kena school Hakajo kapor ke school klapen kobura mi kisan ngut kinong hikai ki bla hikai arpu san snem hakani ke school kabaken tobi kong piren jai principal ikong en nong sit ikong el khar sentiu kong es thaba badi kong ai sau kemi lapen ipu ipi kani ke sngi da ke program shat ki kinna school ruai na ki no hikai bat ki we ki program pen berniai ki megi ki pa ki buan man sakhi bat don lang hakani ke jingrakhe jong ke school
the vision of a community or a vision of a society. And it said very simply that if your vision is for a year and you want to get your results in a year, you should nurture flowers. Because you will get flowers if you grow today, you will get it in 1 year's time. But if your vision is for 10 years and you wish to get the fruits of it in 10 years, then grow fruits. Grow a tree, because after 10 years you will get the fruits. But if your vision is for eternity and you want to bear and get the fruits forever, then nurture people, grow people. And very simply, that means that we must invest in our children and invest in the youth and invest in society. Nurture people, grow people, plant people, and you will get fruits for eternity. And this is where education comes in. It is in institutes like these and many others where we plant people, where we grow people, so that our society can bear the fruits and get the benefits for eternity. And that is my stand and my personal belief when it comes to education. And that is the reason why, in spite of all the challenges, I am not saying that it's an easy sector. It's not. Education is surrounded by numerous challenges. Some structural challenges, some because of decisions made, and some because of the entire size of the entire education sector and the number of people that are involved in it. A number of numerous challenges are there, and I am not here to tell you that it's a rosy picture. No, it's not. But what I want to tell you is that we must continue as a government and as a society to ensure that we do whatever we can to improve it, to take that one step forward. So there has been a large push to ensure that we'll be able to do that. And this year, we're taking it even further. There are close to 2,500 primary schools throughout the lower primary schools, government schools I'm talking about, that have dilapidated buildings and not enough infrastructure. I'm happy to inform all of you that we have taken a decision that we will be spending more than 100 crores this year to repair and fix all the 2,000 plus government LP schools throughout the state. And this is very important for our education sector simply because we need to ensure that the proper infrastructure is available. Again, it's not that we'll be able to change everything. but these are small steps which I feel will ensure that we guide and nurture our children in the right direction.